Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mira and my channel name is Learning with Earning. Welcome to my video. I hope you are fine. I am a YouTuber and also welcome to my YouTube Learning with Earning. So friends, I make a relief video on the topic of money making site. If you like it, subscribe to the channels and click on the bell icon. Thank you. This is my new project, Christmas Shiba, and we get start price chart and a decentralized token focused on revolutionizing Web 3.0. How to buy PancakeSwap. Step 1, purchase BNB. You can purchase BNB on Binance, Crypto.com or another exchange. Step 2, send BNB to trust wallets. Create trust wallets can be downloaded on app stores and then send your BNB from your exchange of choice to your trust wallet. And step 3, swap BNB for smart chains BNB. Can easily be done when waiving the BNB balance into your trust wallets. And step 4, swap dollars BNB for XMAS on PancakeSwap. Contact your trust wallets to PancakeSwap and then paste our contract address into the tokens field to swap BNB for dollars XMAS. Always confirm the official's contract address. You can see friends, this is official's contract address 0x3cc6e954639, and you can read it. Step 5, Hodl roadmap, pre-launch, conceptual development of the projects and brainstormings with the team, website development, and Q1's develop smart contracts website dashboard and PancakeSwap launch, white papers. Q2, CoinGecko applications, CoinMarketCap applications, advertising campaigns, budget ads, and various ads on social media and other platform. Teach rate audit. Q3, website designs and large influencers marketing push, exchange listening, and multiple exchange and certic audit per articles on finance website. Number 4, Hodl. The XMAS token is our foundational tokens that allow buyers to hold thousands, millions, or even tens of millions of it in their wallet. Disclosures by purchasing Christmas Shiba. You agree that you are not purchasing a security or investment contracts, and you agree to hold the team harmless and not liable for any losses or taxes you may incur. Although XMAS is a community driven DeFi ecosystem and not a registered digital currency. Always make sure that you are in compliance with local laws and regulations before you make any purchase. Cryptocurrencies are not legal tenders and are not investment. Join us on Twitter and Telegram. Friends, click on three lines. You can see homepage by XMAS and our team. Click on our team. See friends, our team. Nicholas Curtins and Ryan Copper, Robin Holstones and Jory Smith, Dryers Millers. Info alpha Christmas shibacoin.com. Friends, click on three lines and buy XMAS. You see friends, PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap exchange and liquidity swap trade tokens in an instance and BNB 0.00, Cake 0.00 contact wallets and V1 and V2 all convert ERC20 to be a BIP20. V2 V1 all and convert ERC20 to BIP20. Need help PancakeSwap. $12.208 and about contact a brand blog community cake token online store and help customer support customer support troubleshooting and guides developers GitHub and documentations, bug bounty, orders and carriers. Join us on Twitter, Telegrams, Discords, Instagram, and etc. So, friends, my video is like, shares, and comments, and click on the bell icon. Thank you so much.